Hello guys, welcome to Data Hacks. In this video, I'm going to explain about the local modules. Local modules are the modules that are created locally in your Node.js application. Local modules are created by user for the purpose of reusing the module. And here inside each module, there will be a set of instructions which will be executed one by one. Each file will consider as a separate module. Let's start the practical demonstration of local modules. For each module, there should be a purpose function. So first I'm going to create a function, create a variable called function. So next I'm going to provide arrow function. In this arrow function I'm going to have two parameters. This function is going to return the concatenated values. So console the return values. Here I'm going to call function. After returning the values from the function, it will console. First name 1. Next name. Now open the terminal, run the file. So here you can see both consoles. Now we have successfully created the function or purpose for the module. Next we have to create the module. So I'm going to remove this function, close the terminal. Here I'm going to create a new file called spec.js. Here I'm going to provide the function. Again terminal, clear the terminal, run the index file again. Here you can see in index page only this console is there. But we want to use this function. To call this function or to trigger this function, we are going to use common.js. So there is a different modules, common.js and ES6. So here we are going to use common.js. If you want to know more about the common.js versus ES6, you can refer my previous video, Node versus browser. I will provide the link in the top right corner. So here just I'm going to call require. So here just call the files dot slash file, the file which we want. So after calling this, clear the terminal, run this again. So now you can see the concatenated value has been returned and the console is also returned. This is how the local system or local module will work. We can create in different names. There is no specific instruction to create a file in a spec name. Next we are going to see about the module export. So quiz, please provide your answer in the comment section for this quiz. So just provide your result or answer about what is local module, how we can use. Just provide your idea in a comment. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel. You will get the updates regularly on time.